Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are pleased to present this exceptional 2024 plate Range Rover Velar, finished in the striking Varesine Blue. It comes finished with 20-inch alloys, black roof rails and privacy glass. This D300 mild hybrid vehicle also comes with one owner, full service history and 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, giving you complete peace of mind. Open the powered tailgate and you'll find a generous and practical boot space with plenty of room for all your needs. Step inside and you're welcomed by a beautifully crafted cabin with Cloud and Ebony perforated Taurus leather seats and a Meridian sound system. Premium materials are used throughout, and the front and rear are spacious and comfortable for all passengers. The modern dashboard houses a touchscreen system with navigation, Apple CarPlay, voice control and car controls. Above, the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an airy atmosphere. The heated steering wheel puts key controls such as voice control, volume, cruise control, lane assist and heated steering buttons at your fingertips. Comfort is guaranteed thanks to heated front seats and climate control, giving you control of temperature. A 3D surround camera makes parking and manoeuvring easy and simple. The sunroof can also be opened for fresh air and light on those nicer, sunnier days. Finishing off this Velar is the electrically deployable Towbar, adding incredible versatility with a 3.5 tonne towing capacity. This exceptional, impressive Range Rover Velar could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.